Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. It's not water, but data. Every time we send a text, stream a movie, or even make a call, it creates ripples in this ocean. This data flows constantly, connecting our devices and powering the digital world. It's a complex and fascinating realm, mostly hidden from view. But what if you could peek beneath the surface? This is where Wireshark comes in, a powerful tool that allows us to dive into this ocean of data and see what's happening beneath the waves. Think of Wireshark as a digital submarine. It allows us to explore the depths of network traffic, capturing and analyzing the data packets that carry our online activity. This ability to see the raw data flowing through our networks is invaluable for network administrators, security professionals, and anyone curious about the inner workings of the internet. But like any powerful tool, Wireshark can be used for both good and bad. This is why it's crucial to understand how Wireshark works, the potential risks it poses, and the steps we can take to protect ourselves. Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer, a fancy term for a tool that lets you see network traffic. It captures data packets traveling over a network and displays them in a readable format. This allows you to examine the contents of each packet, revealing valuable information about the communication taking place. Why is this important? Because it allows us to troubleshoot network issues, analyze network performance, and identify security vulnerabilities. Network administrators use Wireshark to diagnose connectivity problems, optimize network traffic, and ensure the smooth operation of their systems. Security professionals rely on Wireshark to detect and analyze malicious activity. By examining network traffic for suspicious patterns, they can identify malware infections, data breaches, and other security threats. Wireshark provides a detailed view of what's happening on the network, allowing them to investigate incidents, gather evidence, and mitigate future risks. For the curious individual, Wireshark offers a glimpse into the fascinating world of network communication. It allows you to see how websites load, how emails are sent, and even how online games communicate with their servers. It's a powerful tool for learning about networking concepts, protocols, and the inner workings of the internet. Getting started with Wireshark is easier than you might think. It's a free and open source tool available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Simply head over to the official Wireshark website and download the installer for your operating system. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be up and running in no time. Once installed, launch Wireshark and you'll be greeted by its main interface. It might seem intimidating at first, but don't worry, we'll walk you through it. Before you start capturing traffic, you need to select the network interface you want to monitor. This is the physical or virtual connection through which your computer communicates with the network. Wireshark will list all available interfaces, and you can choose the one connected to the network you want to analyze. Once you've selected an interface, click the Start button, and Wireshark will begin capturing packets in real time. You'll see a continuous stream of data flowing through the interface, each line representing a single packet. Now that you're capturing traffic, let's focus on our objective, listening to phone calls. Voice over IP, VoIP calls, like those made through Skype or WhatsApp, are transmitted over the internet as data packets. Wireshark can capture these packets, but we need to filter the data to isolate VoIP traffic. Wireshark's filtering language is powerful but easy to use. To display only VoIP traffic, we can use a simple filter. In the filter box at the top of the Wireshark window, type SIP or RTP, depending on the VoIP protocol used. This will filter out all other traffic, showing only packets related to VoIP calls. As you browse through the filtered packets, you'll notice various details, including source and destination IP addresses, port numbers, and protocol information. This information can help you identify the parties involved in the call and the type of VoIP protocol being used. Section 5. Deciphering the conversation, analyzing VoIP data. Capturing VoIP packets is only half the battle. To actually listen to the conversation, we need to reconstruct the audio stream from the captured data. This is where Wireshark's VoIP analysis tools come in. Right-click on a VoIP packet and navigate to the telephony menu. Here, you'll find options for analyzing various VoIP protocols, including SIP, RTP, and more. Select the appropriate protocol based on the captured traffic. Wireshark will then analyze the selected packets and attempt to reconstruct the audio stream. If successful, you'll see a play button. Clicking it will play back the captured audio, allowing you to listen to the conversation. Keep in mind that the audio quality may vary depending on factors like network conditions and encryption.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Section 6. The ethics of eavesdropping, a digital dilemma. The ability to listen to phone calls using Wireshark raises serious ethical concerns. Eavesdropping on someone's private conversations is a violation of privacy and a criminal offense in many jurisdictions. It's crucial to understand the legal and ethical implications of using Wireshark for such purposes. Using Wireshark to intercept and listen to phone calls without consent is illegal and unethical. It's essential to respect people's privacy and use Wireshark responsibly and ethically. Only capture and analyze traffic on networks you own or have explicit permission to monitor. Remember, the information you capture using Wireshark can be sensitive and confidential. Handle it with care and avoid sharing it with unauthorized individuals. Use your knowledge of Wireshark for good, such as troubleshooting network issues or enhancing network security, and always prioritize ethical considerations. Section 7. Exploiting the network. Common hacker tactics. Hackers, like digital shadows, exploit vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access to networks and devices. They employ various tactics to intercept and listen to phone calls, often targeting weaknesses in network security or exploiting human error. One common method is packet sniffing, where hackers use tools like Wireshark to capture network traffic, including VoIP calls, on unsecured networks. Public Wi-Fi hotspots are particularly vulnerable, as they often lack strong security measures. Another tactic is man-in-the-middle attacks, where hackers position themselves between two communicating parties, intercepting and potentially altering the data flowing between them. This allows them to eavesdrop on conversations, steal sensitive information, and even manipulate the communication. Section 8. Shielding your digital voice, essential cybersecurity tips. Protecting your privacy and securing your communications in today's digital landscape is paramount. By adopting essential cybersecurity practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to eavesdropping and other cyber threats. When using public Wi-Fi, always use a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, creating a secure tunnel between your device and the VPN server. This makes it much harder for hackers to intercept your data, including VoIP calls. Use strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts, especially those related to communication services. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. Keep your devices and software up to date with the latest security patches. Software updates often include security enhancements that address known vulnerabilities, making it harder for hackers to exploit them. Section 9. Stay vigilant, stay safe, a call to action. In an increasingly interconnected world, our digital lives are intertwined with the vast and complex realm of network communication. While tools like Wireshark offer valuable insights into this world, they also present potential risks if misused. By understanding how Wireshark can be used for both good and bad, we can better appreciate the importance of cybersecurity and the need to protect our privacy. By adopting responsible online practices and staying informed about the latest threats, we can navigate the digital landscape with greater awareness and security. Remember, cybersecurity is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and take proactive steps to safeguard